uMake lets you use dimensions to create more accurate designs. To turn dimensions on, open up the side panel, and then go to the Settings panel. Toggle on dimensions from there. Then choose your grid units. By default, uMake uses a generic unitless unit. However, you can choose from metric units or SAE units. Choose the unit that best fits your needs. When you select elements, you will now notice dimensions on the bounding box. Tapping on these dimensions will enable you to change the dimension of a selected object or group of objects. If you choose to change the dimensions, you can use the lock icon to keep the dimensions uniform and proportional. In addition to changing the dimensions of an object, when you move an object or rotate an object, you will see dimensions appear as well. You can tap on these to enter the precise dimension you want to move an object. Try using dimensions in your next design to help make it more accurate.